Well, this is our first snow walk of the winter 2025-26 season. It is midnight, 5th of December, early morning. It snowed a little bit earlier. It's trying to snow now. The temperature is just too warm, so it's all going to melt. So it brings me to the point about the weather forecasting. I watched a television weather report, and they made it sound like this weekend we're going to be hit with big snowstorms. There are two weather apps I look at, and they are not jiving with the television weather report. Two weather apps on my phone. One says it's just a slight possibility of snow this weekend, all weekend, and the other one says a little more chance. But what's significant is that both of them say our daylight temperatures are going to be above freezing, which tells me it's going to be mainly rain. One of the weather apps says we're going to be 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not snow temperatures. The TV weather made it sound like it was going to be big and bad. And around here, it never comes to pass. Like they're just passing a lot of gas is what they're doing. The weather apps are saying it's going to be a washout. Temperature is going to be too high.